Today I am going to review the AGT3 by GEMORO. Guys, I've got a lot to say about this product. I'm really happy with it, and I can't wait to show you guys how to use it. You know, like you, I was looking for the best solution for how to determine the carat value of the gold. You know, if I was going to buy it or just appraising it. Well, you know, we've all used acid testing at least once in our lives, but how do you know if something is plated? It identifies all white gold, yellow gold, and 6 carat all the way to 24 carat. Even identifies platinum. So it's really cool what they give you here. You've got your pen probe. I'll put that down for a second. A file. A neat little case here. I'm going to go ahead and push this out of the way so you can see the tester. Very cool leather carrying case if you're on the go. It can literally identify the percentage gold content to 1/10 of a decimal. It can tell you if something is not gold. It'll read out on the display not gold. It's just amazing. I can't wait to show you guys how to use this. Go ahead and plug my pen probe in. Turn it on. It's going to tell me that I need a calibrate pen, and that is really important. And it only takes a few seconds.
The Replaceable Pen Probe performs over 5,000 tests and comes overfilled with testing fluid for maximum usage. Always wipe away any excess fluid, gold particles, and dirt with a paper towel before calibrating and testing.
Now calibrating with my 18 karat in enhanced mode, holding the pen nice and vertical, okay? I'm going to show you that test one more time in enhanced mode, 18 karat to 1/10 of a decimal. God, isn't that incredible? My 22 karat piece to 1/10 of a decimal. That is truly fast. I'm calibrated with an 18 karat yellow gold piece that I know is 75% exactly 18 karat. So you want to make sure you have one of those pieces. If you don't have one, you should buy one because it doesn't come with these testers. For those of you that didn't see what the calibration looks like, I'm going to go ahead and show you one more time. You hold the calibration button down to get 18 karat, which is there for that extra precision, and you got to hold it nice and vertical for it to read really quickly, and it shows me success. I'll go ahead and show you what that is real fast so you can see that's the 18 karat complete. You can leave things on the platform, not a big deal, but I'm going to go ahead and test a few other items right away so you can see how quick this tester really is. I mean, if we were testing with acids, we'd still be on the first item, but real quick I'll show you the 14 karat. You can get in the groove of this ring. Notice how I'm testing inside. You know, it comes with one of these files, so if you wanted, you could file, but always file away from the platform. You can file on the inner portions of your jewelry and then come back and test it again. And again, 14 karat, spot on. It's just super fast, super accurate. Got here a 22 karat, and it's really fast. And look at the percentage carat value is 1/10 of a decimal. Guys, that is incredible. This pen probe that it comes with, it's saline solution. So it's totally harmless, and it lasts you 5,000 tests. When you're done with it, you just throw it away. There's no emptying anything out. You just unplug it, throw it away, and get a new one. This tester has 2 modes, a fast test yellow and an enhanced mode. So just tap the mode button to switch to enhanced. As you can see, it's doing that. But holding this button down will actually turn the unit off. I'll go ahead and wipe down. Keep everything nice and clean. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm keeping my platform clean. Super important, I've really noticed. And when I'm not using the pen probe, guys, keep it nice and close. So if I wanted to test the lower carats, I'm going to go ahead and tap my calibration button for my 14 karat. Go ahead and calibrate real quickly. Make sure you're not touching any other pieces. So there we go, we're successfully calibrated with a 14 karat so we can identify that lower range item. So here we go, 14 karat to 1/10 of a decimal. Success, there it is. So I've got here a class ring. This should be 10 karat. Here you go, 10 karat. And isn't that fast? God, that is just incredible. So I've got also platinum over here. Let's just go ahead and see that climb all the way. There it is. Can everybody see? There it is. Okay, platinum complete. Very, very fast. This is the latest in technology. Very happy with it. Guys, you got to try this tester. I really enjoyed reviewing this product and recommend it to anybody buying or appraising gold.